Hey, consumer law kids, it's DeLong. If you're in my English class, you've already met some of my chickens. If you're not in my English class, you've probably been wondering, why don't we get videos with chickens? So today, I thought I'll check in with a chicken. I hope you're all well. Thanks for doing all the hard work. You guys are real rock stars. I can always count on the law class to, everybody shows up, everybody does what they have to do, you upload the stuff, you send it in, you're doing great. I appreciate it. I think the things we're doing are pretty relevant. The consumer finance, we'll see how that all goes post coronavirus 2019-20. But it's still relative for now and still useful. We're going to spend about another week on the consumer credity stuff because I think it's useful for you and I think it's something you need to have. And then after that, we're going to go into employment law, which is a fascinating topic in general. Not kidding, that wasn't sarcasm. It really is a very interesting topic, mostly because it affects all of us, right? You're either an employee or an employer at some point in your life forever. So it's very useful information. But right now, we have a really new twist on the whole thing, and there's a lot of really quickly moving pieces as to what employment law looks like and how is it uh, justified and humane and is it fair and safe and whatever. But I don't want to give too much away for next week because then you won't be excited about next week, or you'll be so excited you'll want to do all the employment law stuff ahead of time. But we're going to do consumer law stuff or consumer credit first. We'll get through that this week. Next week, employment law. Um, just as an update, actually, I don't really have any update from the school or the county or the state. What I do have, I don't know if you saw the president yesterday. Originally, they had said 15 days. This was 14 days ago. 15 days to slow the spread, and they had made a lot of proclamations about, social distancing and closing restaurants and things like that. Yesterday, they announced, and it's worth the watch if you're interested. Look up President Trump's press briefing from Sunday, or there was a really good review of it on Meet the Press and the NBC News. There's a bunch of places you can look for it if you don't want to watch the whole speech. But in essence, the doctors advising President Trump have suggested that April 15th isn't going to work. It needs the extension needs to go through the end of April at least. So you may want to take a look at those things. I don't have any official guidance from the school or the state or the district or anybody else. But many of them, especially the Florida Department of Education, have suggested that they're going to follow CDC guidelines. So if they're doing that, and the CDC says we have to socially distance till the end of April, it would seem as though we're going to be doing the online thing through them. So that's all I really know. Our plan is consumer credit, employment law, and we'll go from there, answer your questions. Thanks for all the really good articles you guys posted. A lot of interesting stuff there. I like that you have your insight into everything that's going on through valid news sources. So I just wanted to share a chicken video with you. Please sign in by commenting on this video so I can give you credit for attendance today. And keep being awesome. Be kind to each other. Be safe out there. Wash your hands. Be safe. Be healthy. And I miss seeing y'all. Talk to you soon. Bye.